McKay is traditionally known as the Thunder Mountain. Mount McKay is a mafic sill located south of Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada, on the Indian Reserve of the Fort William First Nation. It is the highest, most northern and best known of the Nor'Wester Mountains. It formed during a period of magmatic activity associated with the large mid-continent rift system about 1,100 million years ago. There is also a small monument commemorating the indigenous people who fought in the war 1914-1918. The mountain is used by the Ojibwe for sacred ceremonies. Only with the construction of the road did non-First Nations people get access to this land. Mount McKay is 299 meters, 981 feet, above Lake Superior and 483 meters, 1,585 feet above sea level. It is a flat-topped hill flanked by steep cliffs on three sides. Mount McKay is composed of shale and grey wax. The Rove Formation, which is covered by the hard, protective 60 meters, 200 feet, thick diabase cap. Diabase is 1115 T1 million years old. Diabase cap is the erosional remnant of a sill that once extended over the entire area. It is covered by a thick layer of mineral soil. Known for its towering presence, the mountain peak provides stunning panoramic views of the city and the surrounding landscape, making it a perfect destination for both casual hikers and avid adventurers.